In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to release through the inner arch of your foot. Now, all you need to do this is to have a ball. I'm using a massage ball here, but you can use anything of a similar size and shape. Now, when we talk about the inner arch of the foot and what we're going to be releasing, I'm going to be having this ball start off in the middle of my foot, lengthwise and widthwise. And what I'm then going to be doing is I'm going to be bringing my ankle out. And as I do that, the ball is going to roll through the inner arch of my foot. It's called a press and twist technique because I'm going to be pressing down and twisting out. So you can do it in a position like I'm in. So for example, seated, I can press down with my foot and roll out. I can come back in, roll out and back in. For a lot of people, this might be a little bit too easy. So if you want the next grade up, what you would do is you would come into a kneeling position. I'm going to put my midfoot in contact with the massage ball. From here, I keep my heel in contact with the floor. I can now press down with my foot as much as I would like to get the optimal resistance. So I'm looking here for about a 7 out of 10 discomfort, and I'm going to roll slowly out and then release and come back in, apply pressure and roll out. So you can do this for all parts of your midfoot. So you can do it for the top part of the midfoot, the mid of the midfoot and the lower part of the midfoot. You would repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.